Getting ever closer. The big screen's not going to arrive before the next track testing opportunity, so I've just jury-rigged the small screen into the large enclosure, and there's now an LED strip on the bottom as a rev counter as well. So see the oil pressure, fuel level, the throttle position sensor, and the brake will actuate, and there's also a low oil pressure light in the middle as well. That'll eventually have an ultra bright LED as well. And as you can see, the LED bar at the bottom lights up in pretty much real time as well. So all looking pretty good. So hopefully the big screen will arrive shortly and I can make it look pretty.